Hello. Today we're going to be testing a 1981 Hunter 38-inch reverse air original, model 22297. It's November of '81. We're testing it here. It did not come with the canopy, and it was painted. When I move the camera, I'll show you. We're just gonna test it via the remote for the fan that is usually up here. I will put it. Well, we'll see. All right, here's what it does on low on the remote. It doesn't do anything. But if you do medium, it's set to high on the pull chain. I just figured I'd do it via the remote. But if I really wanted to, I could. Well, I might as well even just shuffle. So yeah, this actually, you probably saw this on Facebook. We got this with a 52-inch 5-blade and a 42-inch. All of them were white. However, the 52-inch sold. It was painted over red. It was originally white. Someone painted it red, and then it was painted white again. So it's been painted twice. All right, now we'll take it to high. I'll actually pick the camera to show you guys. We'll move the ladder bit so it's a little more stable. Probably stable enough. Let's move some gooder. You can kind of see a bit of the red. It's kind of hard to see, but it's got red on the tag.
You gonna do speed 2 on the pull chain?
I might. Alright, and then I'll show. See if I can reach it. Is this stable enough? Alright, then there's low on the chain. Wait. Yeah. There's the fan that's usually up there. It's a 90 Fasco Industrial. Is that the fan? No, it isn't. No bearing noise. We did oil it. I think it had oil in it when we got it. This is the oldest of the three. The 52-inch was a 96, just like the one I have. The 42-inch was a 95. And this one was a 30. This one was November of '81. None of them came with their canopies. The 42-inch, however, came with a U-bolt and a grommet. I think they were like 10 a piece. Yeah. I'm just gonna zoom in on a bit, but yeah. Then I'll turn it off. This video is going to be 3 minutes long. These my videos are like 2 minutes. Pretty sure I turned it off. But yeah, there you have it, a 38-inch original from November of 1981. Thanks for watching.